I'm immigration attorney John Khosravi. Why is a paid consultation needed for an L-1 or EB-1C immigration consultation? To start, an L-1 or EB-1C case involves a foreign employee being transferred to an affiliated U.S. company for a temporary or permanent period of time. Though I've worked with big companies, I especially enjoy working with small companies and new offices because of the special hurdles that they face and the additional need for thoughtful strategy. An initial case analysis consultation requires an in-depth audit of the company, researching and analyzing every aspect of it to see where the case stands and whether it's worth it for the client to pay the monetary and non-monetary costs associated with such a visa. This is the format of a consultation. We start with a pre-consultation session, which could be emails and phone calls, to set up a time for the meeting, additional details required for that, as well as a lot of background information and documents from the company so I can review and prepare them in preparation for the full consultation. These documents could include specific beneficiary employee and coworker job titles, job duties, salary, education levels, and more. Documenting the corporate relationship of the foreign company with the U.S. company. Reviewing and understanding the business plan for the company and its future goals. Tracking their finances and transactions. A general immigration overview of the applicant and their family's immigration background, and much more. Once we have that in order, we set up the actual consultation. Now, the consultation could be 1, 2, or even 3 hours of discussion time during a meeting. Afterwards, I send a detailed email breaking down as an overview of everything we talked about and what steps are needed to take the case to the next level. Now, the meeting could be by phone or Skype, but in person is always preferred. My firm doesn't use templates. Every case is unique, so a unique solution is required for each person's case. I do low volume but high service. I like to give a lot of attention to my clients and always be available to them. To that end, your case is only handled by myself as the attorney, and the services of a paralegal, secretary, or other non-attorney is never used in the preparation of your application. The third part of this consultation session is the second consultation that we do. Because a lot of time, the questions I ask in the first consultation may not have answers ready for them, or certain documents are not ready in time, I then have that second consultation to make sure that I have all the information I need to be able to give proper guidance for you to make the decision of whether to move forward, as well as what the exact costs and timelines are that are associated with your application. The initial consultation fee covers all the things I spoke about earlier, including the pre-consultation session, the actual consultation session, and the secondary consultation, so that you can have all the information you need to make a proper decision for your case. After all the information is gathered and have a good understanding of your case, a flat rate is quoted for legal fees. I take pride in being up to date with the newest laws and regulations related to the L1 and EB-1C category. To that end, I've released a lot of my notes about this that I continually update and learn about through court cases and through experience on my website, a link of which is provided below. I also discuss L1 cases and changes in the laws and regulations and updates in my Immigration Lawyers podcast, which is available as well with the link below. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you in America.